Let's dive into the ocean blue, where dolphins play and splash in view, swimming fast and leaping high underneath the sunny sky. Come along, let's take a ride on a dolphin's joyful tide. Dolphins live in oceans wide, from warm seas to colder tide. In groups called pods, they swim so free, a happy family in the sea. Their home is water deep and blue, a wondrous world just for you. Dolphins live in ocean, come along and see all the ocean wonders, wild and free. Jumping, splashing, hear their joyful sound. Dolphins make the ocean their playground. How do dolphins talk, you ask? Clicks and whistles, quite a task. Echolocation helps them find food and friends, their sonar kind. Chirps and squeaks, a language true. Dolphins chat just like we do. What do dolphins love to eat? Fish and squid are quite a treat. They hunt together, work as one. Catching dinner is so much fun. Diving deep or swimming near, their favorite meal is always clear. Dolphins live in ocean, come along and see all the ocean wonders, wild and free. Jumping, splashing, hear their joyful sound. Dolphins make the ocean their playground. Baby dolphins, what a sight, born into the ocean's light. Moms take care with gentle grace, keeping babies safe in place. Calves will grow and learn to play in the ocean's vast array. Dolphins like to play all day, chasing waves and swimming away. With their friends they love to race in the ocean's wide embrace. Leaping high, they touch the sky. Dolphins play as time goes by. Underwater acrobats so sleek and fine. Dolphins dance in a perfect line. With flips and spins they show their might, a graceful show, a pure delight. How do dolphins sleep, you say? With one eye open night or day. Half their brain stays wide awake, so they can rest yet swim and take turns to watch for danger near. Dolphins sleep without fear. Do dolphins have friends like you and me? Yes, they bond in the deep blue sea, helping each other side by side. In the ocean they take pride. Friendship strong, it never ends. Dolphins cherish all their friends. Dolphins live in ocean, come along and see all the ocean wonders, wild and free. Jumping, splashing, hear their joyful sound. Dolphins make the ocean their playground. Dolphins and humans, what a pair. In the sea, adventures we share. They swim close, so full of grace, bringing smiles to every face. Ocean friends, both near and far. Dolphins know just who we are. Fun facts about dolphins, here we go. They can jump high and swim so low. Bottlenose is a common kind, intelligent and so refined. With a smile that's always bright, dolphins bring us pure delight. Dolphins live in oceans, come along and see all the ocean wonders, wild and free. Jumping, splashing, hear their joyful sound. Dolphins make the ocean their playground. In the ocean, wild and free, dolphins show us how to be kind and playful, smart and strong. In their world we all belong. Let's protect their ocean home, so they can play and freely roam. Now our dolphin journey ends, but the ocean still extends. Keep on learning, diving deep. Dolphin memories we will keep. Thank you, dolphins, for the ride in the ocean side by side.
Thanks for watching, kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures.